So we're doing another struggle meal, and what we have here is an eggplant, and what we're trying to do is to char the skin. So after we had it burned on the stove, we'll actually just peel this off this way. And there's actually an easier way of doing this. You could actually just boil the eggplant, but it loses that smoky flavor in it. So most of the time when people do this, they'd actually just burn the skin off. It's an eggplant. We'll mash this. And that. Here we have our egg. We'll add cornstarch. We use cornstarch to keep that crispy crust when we actually fry it. Then we add our tomatoes, our diced tomatoes, and our diced onions. So you'll have that slightly sticky texture. Then we add our MSG. Yep. MSG is a thing. We Asians usually we use that. Then a little salt. Don't want much because we don't want it to be salty. Then we add ground pepper. That's it. We'll actually dip our eggplant in it, and this will be ready in a few. Now we'll just add a little more on top of it so we could have all the veggies in it. So we now have our fried eggplant ready, and at the side we put a little chili oil. I'm having a hard time getting this. A little chili oil that we actually fried prior, and we just have it as a stock. Then we add a little bit of soy sauce in it, and we add some lemon, and since I don't have the lemon here, I still have to cut, and it's going to take some time. That's just about really it, and then you have this paired with rice, and you already have your struggle meal.